Welcome to Learn English Smoothly.
Today we are going to learn about how to ask questions and give answers. Hello, friends. What is your name?
My name is Harry. How are you?
I'm all right, thanks.
Where are you from, Letty?
I'm from France.
Where are you staying?
I am staying at home. Have you ever been abroad?
I went to London last year.
What do you do?
I'm a bartender. Who do you live with?
I live with my parents.
What kinds of films do you like?
I am really interested in horror, action film.
Where do you study?
I am a student at Stanford University.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6:40 a.m.
Why are you studying English?
Because I love to improve my English skills.
How long have you learning English?
I've been learning English for 6 years.
How did you learn English?
My friend taught me.
How's the weather?
It's warm and sunny. Where are you going?
I'm going to the hospital.
When were you born?
I was born in 1997. How old are you?
I'm 26 years old. Where are they from?
They are from London.
Does your father have a car?
He doesn't have a car?
Does your father have a car?
He has a car. What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
Is there a restaurant near here?
Yes, there's a restaurant just a block away. Does she like fish?
Yes, she likes fish.
Does she like fish?
No, she doesn't like fish.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on January 1st. What are you going to do today?
I'm going shopping.
Where would you like to go?
I would like to go to the zoo.
What's the matter?
I'm not feeling so good.
Is there anything I can do to help?
Everything will be okay.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Taylor Swift.
Are you single or married?
No, but looking for someone nice. Are you married?
Yes. I'm married.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
What's your wife's name?
My wife's name is Ariana.
What do you like doing?
I enjoy playing sports.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to go play volleyball at the beach.
What sports can you play?
I can play tennis, basketball, and football.
Would you mind opening the window?
It would be my pleasure. What kind of food do you like?
I enjoy salads and sandwiches. How do you go to work?
I take the bus to work. Would you like to have something to drink?
Yes, I'll take a glass of orange juice.
Where would you like to go?
I'd love to go out for dinner.
When will she be back?
She'll be back around 5 p.m.